2023 Cadillac XT4. With less than 4,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Additionally, you'll be more than pleased with extra features like these: cross-traffic alert, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, power driver seat, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, power liftgate, brake assist, keyless start. Take home the car of your dreams today.